Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Marie Rose Updated. Start by shuffling a 52-card deck thoroughly and place a visible stock of tokens nearby for scoring. Deal equal cards to each player while keeping one card face up as the starting lead whenever rules call for a starter. Keep suits and trumps clear, and decide scoring values before play so all players agree and avoid disputes. Start each hand by having the leader play any legal card and announce the suit if needed for clarity. When you follow suit, match the highest rank you want to contest, and remember trumps beat other suits regardless of rank. After each trick, the winner gathers cards, adjusts token counts, and refills their hand from the stock so play continues smoothly until the stock or rounds conclude. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more content and tips. Quick recommendation. I like these leak-proof containers because they save time between rounds and keep snacks fresh during long games. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab a set if interested, then get back to practicing the rules and strategies. Now let's get back to the video. Keep scoring simple. Decide values for face cards and special combos, then stick to them so players focus on strategy. Use tokens, a notepad, or a quick tally sheet to record points after each round to prevent disputes. Strategically save trumps and high cards for late play to steal crucial tricks, and aim to create combinations that yield bonus points when scored at round end.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.